Here's Bishop, bowling to Imran. Four and nearly six. Bishop getting a little bit short there. Imran throwing the bat, and it's a lucky four, but I mean it's just a little bit of inexperience there from Bishop and pitching a little bit too short and allowing the batsman to fling the bat out. That's been his major problem today, is a little bit short of the length.
Jazz and
that could be six. That's a big hit coming straight down the ground. That's a ripper into the members. Winston Benjamin struck straight down the ground. The perfect hit. 5 for 220. 46 back from 1.
Well, there's the gap. The fieldsman moving in mid-on. What he's got to do is hit it straight down the ground.
Crashed that over cover. What a shot. Beautifully played. 4 runs.
Well, he's quietly destroying Benjamin's figures. He was very tidy. 33 balls for his half century. Very, very well played. 6 fours.
6 fours and 1 6. And control hitting the full face of the bat. Benjamin. It's up in the air, the man's out there. Richie Richardson's a big high hit, he's coming around, he's under it. No balls at all, it's over his shoulder, so Imran survives. Action at the Gabba.
There's quite right too. No ball called, that ball over the height of the batsman's shoulder in his normal standing position. 3 hit for Imran, and Benjamin doesn't like it too much.
He's had a pretty rough day, Winston Benjamin. Probably want to bowl from the other end in other games. He's in the game. That's a wide. That's 4 wides. The wheel's falling off for the West Indies in the final overs. A little bit of panic, inexperience. Richards rushing in now from mid-wicket to come across to his young bowler. Take it easy. Cool heads are needed. Wonderful recovery by Pakistan. Down the ground he goes. Just the single. Haynes in. Wasn't coming back, he's stumbled, he's got to be out. Stump, he's gone. Beautiful bit of fielding by Desmond Haynes. Hits the stump from the full. Good attacking running, but the throw just too good.
Yes, well, that's not the first time he's hit the stumps today. Akram just a little slow there, but what a good slow. Akram goes down the other end, slips as he gets up. He has a little look there before, and then he slips, and that's the time that the ball was picked up. Bang, hits the off stump there, and that was the end of Akram.
It's a big hit, that's going down the ground, that's 6 more. What an over for Pakistan. 7 for 246, a magnificent. He's got a hold of it, it's going out to mid-wicket. The sweeper's Harper, he's putting in the big ones, a no ball called, and it's 4 runs. Wow, what a finish this is for Pakistan. 1 more ball remaining. No ball called. Richards can't believe it. No ball and crashed away for 4.
So I think Curtly Ambrose thought it was all
It's
over.
back to it though, for 2. Imran not coming. And that's the end of a fine performance by Imran Khan and his team. After 50 overs, 7 for 258.